Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change language in Crunchyroll. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Crunchyroll application on my phone, and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that we're gonna do is go to accounts. Right here, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your account. So basically guys, right here, from the application, you can only change the audio language and the subtitle language, as you can see, guys, right here under preferences. So, for example, my audio language is Japanese. I'm going to change it to English. And you can also change subtitles. For me, I am selecting English language. If you guys want to change the whole application language, all you need to do, guys, is go to settings on your phone. And then once you do that, scroll down until you find apps. And right here, you're going to find all of the installed applications on your phone. Scroll down in this list until you find Crunchyroll. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then, as you can see, guys, right here under default, you're going to find language. From here, you can change the application language. Once you click on it, as you can see, guys, the selected one for me is the system default. If you guys want to change it, as you can see guys from here in all languages, you can change it to any language that you want. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.